So if you have any drinkers, let's say the automatic ones, like the one you have right here, let me just show you quickly how to fix it. Now, first of all, you have to wash it. It's a bit, as you can see, I just bought it, so it's a bit dusty, as you can see that. But I'll wash it later. But for now, let me show you what you need to do to get it working quickly. So, first of all, you have these. Show you this. It actually comes off from the other side. Yeah. Now I just pushed it in like that. So you have this cover here. Now this cover is actually for this. This is what we call the weight holder. Now this is okay, just the name I gave it, but it's supposed to hold some kind of weight for the water. So basically, you're supposed to put water in it, water or maybe small rocks, pieces of rocks in it or stones in it, so that it holds water. So this is what happens. So this one, you can see this cover here. It has to go above this like that, so it has to cover that. And then this one, now the longer, I don't know what do you call this, it's some kind of a, well, so these are long piece right here. It's actually plastic, so I can't call it a stick. It actually goes into this. There are some gears in it, so you have to rotate tightly for it to get to get tight in here, to get really hole in here, because it's supposed to hold water, so it's supposed to be very tight like that. Now if you have this one, so this is some of the equipment you have to look at. So you have this, and then you have these this is actually used to actually hold the pipe. Now you can see, now look at this. So it has these nuts here. These are two sort of screws. It has to be unscrewed like that, and then it goes straight into this. Now this one, it goes straight into the pipe. So if you have a pipe, let's say on that top, that wood there at the top there, this is just a rock, this is for holding it came with the drink. Actually, the rope is actually to hang the drinker, suspend it at the top like that. So it has a hook right there, which I'll show you where it's actually being attached to the hole right there. There's a small hole on this one. That's where the hook goes. Can you see that? Yeah, there's a, things not clear. Okay. Okay, so let me connect it quickly. So start with this one. The next the box goes into this. So you need this one, supposed to go through this one section, come out to the top like that. And these are all like that. There you have it, like that. Then next you have this. I've already showed you what it does. Have I really? Now this one's supposed to go in here, supposed to attach here tightly. You can see the gears right there, or the teeth right there. So that's why it goes like that. If you don't want any confusion, maybe you can just start with it. I believe I made that error, so I'm just start with it right here. So you can see, just hold it there first. like that, and then I'll insert this on inside like that. And there you have it. Then you have this one goes straight into the pipe, so you have to drill a pipe like half millimeter, half inch pipe, and then you have to screw this in like that, so that it has to hold tightly, so that water comes in through the pipe like this, and then goes to the drinker through this smaller tiny pipe. Then these are the screws for holding tightly to the pipe. So the pipe goes into this like this, and then this one will come in like this. You see? Yeah, like that. So the pipe will go through this. So you need a half a millimeter pipe for this to actually work. Then finally we have this. There's a spring right here. Spring is very useful. It goes in there. You have to be screwed in. It has to be screwed in like that, and then the water actually comes in through this. So this valve, you have to loosen it because it is usually tight like that. So you have to make sure it's loose for the water to flow. If it's very tight, the water won't flow. So like that. And then I've actually already connected the pipe here. So this is what we do. Screw that tightly like that. And then you have this cover right here, actually to cover the top. Maybe if you're not seeing that correctly, I've actually screwed the water. Actually, this is the adjustment. This is for actual adjustment, just the amount of water that comes in. This is the pipe that I've been showing you like that, brings in the water, the smaller pipe. And then finally we have this cover right here. It's a plastic tiny cover right there. It's actually some kind of a screw to actually, you have to press down hard like that for it to get hold of it like that. And then you'll have your hook. So far away, right there. It's very far away. Okay, let me move the drink to that section right here, so that you see what happens. And then we hook it like that, and there you have your drink right there, like that. So the water comes in through this. It actually goes through that. You see the pipe like that, and then it comes through this section, small tiny hole right here, and then it actually goes to that section where the chickens can actually drink it like that. Now for this one, you have to hook it. I'm assuming there is a pipe right here going through right here, so that's where you put it like that. So if there's a pipe going right there, you put it like that. I'll be showing you once I've connected these. It works.